So let's glam bride pearl together for her traditional wedding. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Get, and if you're a new subscriber, you are most welcome. And if you've been to my channel or you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. So I'm a bridal makeup artist and a beauty enthusiast based in Owerri, Nigeria. And on today's video, I'll be taking you through how I glammed up my bride. Her name is Pearl, for her traditional wedding ceremony in Owerri, Imo State. So I already cleansed her face and I already hydrated her skin accordingly. And here I'm moisturizing her face with my bloosom moisturizer. I made sure to apply enough moisturizer on her face, and I'm always generous with my moisturizer because it will help my makeup gliding effortless. So for her foundation, I had to match her skin and not her face because I noticed her face was slightly darker than the rest of her body. So as you can see, I was trying to match the tone I was seeing on her chest and her entire body to her face. And I'm so sorry I couldn't record all the products, most of the products I used. And that's because we were in a hurry to finish this makeup on time. I came in early. I came in before my call time, but when I came, she went to make her hair. She was not ready, so we had to start off pretty late. So bear with me please, but I know you still learn one or two from this video. So after applying my foundation, I went in with my Omaricode Skin Mist to set the foundation and lock it in place. Then I went in to contour her skin. I'm using a foundation that is 2 shades or 3 shades darker than her skin tone to contour her skin. Then I'm using the same contour shade to lift up her eyes and make her eye look lifted here. Then before I went in with my blush, my pink blush from Hushed palette, the lip palette, blended it with my beauty blender for that seamless finish and seamless application. I do the same thing on the other side. I place my blush directly on top of where I contoured to further lift the face. Then I'm using this concealer from Zikel Cosmetics. This concealer is tricky. It's a matte concealer, so when you apply, you blend in immediately. If you leave it on, it will to dry up. But I love working with it because it has a very good shades for dark skin and brown skin. So I'm highlighting the other parts of her face, her chin, blending it out. Then I apply the concealer on her forehead, her nose, to accentuate and brighten up those areas. So everything we want to bring out, we highlight, and whatever we want to hide, we contour. Then for her nose contour, I'm using the same shade of foundation I used to contour her face, to contour the nose, and this fluffy brush from MK Beauty. It's a Nigerian brand. So here is how I snatch my nose. I start from that point where the eyebrow starts. I start to blend and tap immediately. I don't draw a straight line. I blend and tap, and then I bring it down before I use my beauty blender to fade off any harsh line. Then I also went in with a brighter shade of concealer to highlight her skin. The first concealer I did was to conceal, then this is to highlight, to brighten, because I like my under eyes quite bright. Then I did all the whole setting with the powder, my setting powder. Then I used my powder palette to set her skin and set the foundation in place so as to make sure that the makeup on her skin doesn't move or budge. So after the whole setting, and applying the blush, I set the face with my setting spray again to reduce the powdery effect on the face and make the makeup look more like skin. So we record the beginning of the eyeshadow process, but I was already done with the base. Then because of the outfit she was going to use, I had to switch up the colors of the eyeshadow look. I went in with a dark base and a silver pigment. Then I'm doing her brows. I started off with outlining the brows with my black Davis pencil. Then I'm filling in the brows with my brown Davis pencil in 03. So I don't think I've done a proper eyebrow tutorial on this channel. Please, I will do that very soon. So I'm just filling in the brows step by step, little by little. Her brows as such, it's just work for me, so I take my time to do my brows. So filling in the other parts too. Then every other part of this makeup was done off camera. I'm so sorry, we were in a hurry, we couldn't continue filming, but this is the final look. And she was very happy with her look, and she was ready to get traditionally hitched. So thank you all for watching. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this very brief tutorial, and please, I hope you come back for more. Thank you for watching, and till I see you next time, it's bye for now. Please subscribe and like this video. Bye.